Hello students. In the previous videos we have learned how to write an advertisement in case of situations vacant, situations wanted, buying and selling or purchase or sale of property, goods and vehicles. Today we shall be seeing in advertisement in case of to let. So in case of to let, how to write an advertisement. The important points of this type are: you should preferably begin with wanted or available. So you want a house for rent, then you should be writing wanted. In case you have got a house and you want to give, so available for rent. So accordingly you can write in case of wanted or available for an advertisement regarding to let. You should write in this what type of accommodation you have got, that is number of bedrooms, sizes of rooms, bathrooms, etc. You should also give a brief description like floor, porch, garage, store, lawn, garden. You should also indicate the direction or location like east facing, sun facing, park facing. Accordingly you can give. And the type of construction, whether various facilities are available or not, like water and electricity, how long they are available. You should also give preference of tenants, like you want small family, vegetarian family, or you can also write in case of a company, company lease. You should state what is the rent expected, that is amount of rent expected, and also you should provide the contact details. In order to understand it better, let us see an example. You are running a real estate agency in Ranchi. You have to write an advertisement for residential apartments available for rent. Draft the advertisement in not more than 50 words. So this is an advertisement writing in case of, yes, to let, and you are running a real estate agency and you are ready to give certain apartments on rent. So there are certain houses or flats available for rent. So that is how you should start your advertisement. The heading can be to let, and as we discussed, there are certain rooms or certain flats available for rent. So you should begin it with available, and it should, the word available, if it is in block letters or capital letter, it is better. So available on rent at McCluskey Ganj, HB Road, Station Road. This place McCluskey Ganj is in Ranchi. So HB Road, Station Road, 2, 3, 4 bedroom flats. So what are available? Flats are available. How many rooms? 2 rooms, 3 rooms, 4 rooms, bedroom flats are available. As we have discussed earlier also, the more brief you write an advertisement, the more effective it is. So instead of explaining it in a bigger way, they have written 2, 3, 4 bedroom flats with all amenities and parking space. So with all facilities, it is available along with parking space. Well ventilated and modern construction. So other attractions they have given, it is completely ventilated. Nowadays we cannot see frequently ventilated houses, so they have mentioned even that also, that is well ventilated and modern construction. 24-hour water supply, power backup, lift facility. So facilities also they have mentioned. For details, contact Fatima Property Dealers, 4 Gandhi Road, Ranchi, and the contact number is also given. So this is how you should be writing in case of property which is available for to let. So not more than 50 words, effectively you can write an advertisement, classified advertisement in this way. Let's see the next topic, business proposals. Usually you will be seeing in newspapers that a company they have introduced a product and they want certain franchisees or dealers for the same. So in such business proposals, how to write an advertisement? The important points which you should mention in this type of advertisements are, you should indicate the nature and name of the organization, specify the business that it deals in, you should specify the requirements clearly, you should also provide, yes, contact number or address. Let's see an example to understand it better. A well established marketing group, Business Today, is seeking agencies, franchisees, and or distributorship for the northern region. It places an advertisement in a leading daily. Draft the advertisement for them. So Business Today marketing group, they want certain agencies, franchisees and distributorships for the northern region. And they are about to write an advertisement in a leading newspaper regarding the same. So how to draft an advertisement? Let us see. The heading should be, yes, it should be clear enough in order to understand what type of advertisement it is. So here they have written distributorship required. So they want distributorship or dealership or franchisee, wanted distributorship for a well established marketing group, Business Today. And what is the name of the organization or company? Business Today. Seeking agencies, so they want agencies. Where, area or region? Punjab, Haryana, Jammu and Kashmir. For what? For household items and consumer goods. So for household items and consumer goods. These are the requirements for the agencies. Manufacturers may contact us on, the contact number is also given. So this is how you should be writing an advertisement in case of a business proposal, basically for a distributorship or a franchisee or an agency. Let us see one exercise for homework. You are Neeraj or Jyoti of 9 Akash Apartments, Jaipur. You wish to rent out a portion of your house. Draft an advertisement for the classified advertisements column, giving details about the location, type of accommodation, rent expected in not more than 50 words. So this advertisement is regarding what? Yes, you wish to rent out a portion of your house. So it is to let. So you should be writing available for rent. So this is how you should start, and you should give the required details. And the person to be contacted is Neeraj or Jyoti of 9 Akash Apartments, Jaipur. So accordingly you complete your homework.